If you like to get outside and plein air paint like I do, and it's particularly hot weather, sometimes this occurs. I put down a wash, and then I go to put the next wash down, but the first one has dried so rapidly because it's hot outside that it leaves a hard edge. That's where blending medium can come in and help solve the problem. Here I've got one of my favorite colors, Indian yellow. It's just such a beautiful, beautiful color. And I've let that dry, and then I've put a wash of permanent rose over that. And you can see we get a hard edge and it looks very transparent. And again, this is what can happen if you're painting outside and it's very dry out and one wash dries before you put the other one down. So I've got blending medium I've put in my little container right here, and I'm just gonna use that straight. I'm gonna take that and dip that into my water and Indian yellow mix, and I can lay that down. It's gonna make it a little bit more transparent, but it's gonna slow down my drying rate because it won't evaporate as quickly as using water alone. So we'll do the same thing. Just pick up that blending medium, and here I'll go into my permanent rose and water mix. Just work that right into it. And then we can lay that down. And then they'll start to blend nicely on their own, but we can come back in and feather that edge and get a really nice soft transition.